Here we are on the blocks that we just got. How's it going, Robert? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. How's it going? You trying to crawl? You're looking close. You're looking real close, baby. Oops, was that a little spit up? Just a little. Getting so close, so close. Say hi to Papu. And Yaya. Yeah. You're so cute. Who couldn't agree? Who could see that face and not love it? I don't know. Alright, baby. So we still got some work to do, but we're getting there.